Hello viewers, welcome back to WinTrader. In this today's video, we'll show you how we can use our software WinTrader for swing trading. You can see I opened this Berger Pain future chart and I set the time frame in H1. And you can see current market value of Berger Paint is 593.80. And you can see this white vertical line, that is a day separation line, and this green arrow is a buy signal and the red one is a sell signal. So these are the automatic signals. Whenever software generated signal, at the same time the pop-up message, there is an alert message will display on your screen with the sound effects. The same details in this alert message will get the entry point. The same details also you can check it. It display in the above dashboard. And before taking the position, if it is buy or sell signal, you have to always check the confirmation. Before taking the position, you have to check the confirmation of the signal. Checking the confirmation is very easy. If it is buy signal, the first arrow will come. After that, you have to check the confirmation. If it is buy signal, then on below dashboard, it will show here like a price in buy. So that is the first and main confirmation. Second confirmation, on below the arrow, you can see there is a bar is here. That is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, then the bar should be in green color. So you have to wait for the two confirmation. If these two parameters are matching, then only we can take the position. First arrow will come, then you have to wait for then you have to check price in buy zone and the bar confirmation. If these two confirmations are okay, then you can directly take the position in your trading platform. Whatever trading platform, broker platform you are using, you have to take position in that trading platform. And once you enter in the market, you can see, once you enter in the trade, you can see on below, you can see that stop loss. It's a trading stop loss. On the right hand side of left side of that stop loss, you can see target 1, target 2 and target 3. There are 3 targets. So in this you can see we got a buy at 579 point. This bicycle we got at 579.30 and time is 12:50 and the date is 20. That means today is Friday. So we got this bicycle on Monday 12:15 we got that bicycle and the price is 579.30. And if we check with the current market rate, we are in profit of 13 points and in the status you can see all target has been achieved. So it's continue with the from Monday we got a signal on Monday, the same signal continue today also. So today in today's market slightly market trend is going down, but you can check it on below bar is also showing green and price is also buy zone. So again there is a chance market again will go up. You can see this red stars are here now, that is a resistance level of the market, and on below you can see there is a blue stars are here, that is a support line. So if you check the support level, current the support is showing 589.45. If you check that current market rate, that is showing 92.90 and the current support is 89.45. If it is break the support level, then there is a reverse trend will be there, market will reverse. And resistance level is 599.60. Current market price is 92.90 and if it is break 599.60 is the current resistance level. If it is break that resistance level, then again market will go up. Then already as per this signal all target has been achieved. Then again market will go up. Then software gives a re-entry option. Re-entry means software gives a new entry point as per the current market rate. You will get software gives a new entry point and a new target. So if you want, then you can again re-enter with that level. Currently the re-entry suggestion is showing wait only. If the software is re-enter, then you can in that re-entry suggestion place, so you will get entry point and target will show there. Then you can directly take that re-entry suggestion. And you can see normal candles colors are red and green. So if you check that chart, there are multi-colors candles are forming like orange color, light blue, empty candle and white candle. So these are the indication of sideways. If the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the bar. So it's giving an indication that market is going sideways. Normal colors are red and green. So multi colors will show like form like orange colors, light blue, empty and white candle. So those candles are the sideways indication. And The same strategy you can apply for all segment like MCA. Our software covers all major financial market. With one software you will get all the signals. Our software support MCX, NSE cash, future options, currencies, agri, comics and forex, Indian and foreign currencies. Our software covers all major financial market and is all working with real-time data. There is no delay in the data. It's real-time tick by tick data, and you can use it for scalping trading, intraday trading, swing trading. As per that, you can change the time frame from here. For intraday, normally we are using 5 and 50 minutes. For scalping purpose, we are using 1 minute. For swing trading, you can follow 1 hour, 4 hour chart. For investment purpose, you can follow D1, week 1 and monthly chart. So we are giving a detailed training session for our customers. Means the normal process is once the customer is interested to purchase a software after checking the live performance of software. If he is interested to purchase the software, we will install after the payment. We will install the software in your system within 10 minutes. Maximum within 10 minutes, we will install the software through TeamViewer. And once the installation done, we will log into your system and we'll give you a training session how to use the software and how to add the symbols, etc. We'll give you a training session. After that, there is a customer support always will be there. If you need any help after the installation and while you are doing trading, if there is any kind of help you need, then directly you can contact me. And if you want a live demo, right now I'm giving a live demonstration. If you are interested to know more about our software, or if you want a live demonstration in any segment, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga and my number is 9061973737. In that number, your official WhatsApp is there. You can directly contact me through call or WhatsApp. Even in Sundays and Saturdays, you can directly contact. And our website details also mentioned in the above window, www.wintradersoft.com. In that website there is a reviews page is there. Don't forget to check our reviews page. That is original reviews by our customers. And if you are interested to know more about the software, I can contact me to my call, or you can call or WhatsApp to my number. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you.